Hello and welcome to Chapter Chats, the channel that keeps you up to date with the latest top trending book summaries. If you're a book lover looking to stay informed, then you've come to the right place. Thanks for tuning in to Chapter Chats. We're excited to share our love of books with you, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Introduction. The book begins by discussing the rise of YouTube, which started as a small video sharing platform in 2005 and became the world's most popular video site. It explores how YouTube has evolved over the years and the impact it has had on culture, politics, and business. Chapter 1: The Birth of YouTube. This chapter talks about how YouTube was founded by three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim. It discusses how they came up with the idea for YouTube and how they initially struggled to get it off the ground. Chapter 2: The Google Acquisition. In 2006, Google acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion. This chapter explores the reasons behind the acquisition and the challenges that Google faced in integrating YouTube into its business. Chapter 3: The Rise of the YouTube Stars. This chapter talks about how YouTube has created a new breed of celebrities, the YouTube stars. It explores the different types of content that have become popular on YouTube, such as vlogs, gaming videos, and beauty tutorials. Chapter 4: The Dark Side of YouTube. YouTube has also been criticized for hosting content that is harmful, offensive, or misleading. This chapter discusses the challenges that YouTube faces in moderating its platform and the impact that this content can have on its users. Chapter 5: The Business of YouTube. This chapter explores how YouTube has become a lucrative platform for advertisers and content creators. It discusses the different ways that creators can monetize their content, such as through ad revenue and sponsorships. Chapter 6: The Politics of YouTube. YouTube has also become an important platform for political speech and activism. This chapter discusses how politicians and political movements have used YouTube to reach audiences and mobilize supporters. Chapter 7: The Future of YouTube. The book concludes by exploring the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for YouTube. It discusses the potential impact of emerging technologies such as virtual reality and artificial intelligence on the platform, and how YouTube can continue to grow and evolve in the years to come. Epilogue. The epilogue summarizes the main points of the book and discusses the role that YouTube will continue to play in shaping culture, politics, and business. It emphasizes the need for YouTube to take responsibility for the content on its platform and to address the challenges it faces in a rapidly changing media landscape. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey through the wonderful world of literature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you are interested to buy this book, go to my description and buy now.